Again, we are back to the similar topic. In fact, it's the same topic, not even similar. Only thing is, we will look into different type of problems in this. Basic integration formulas, we have already seen them. Power rule, 1 by x, trigonometry functions. You can pause the video, go through them. Now we'll move on. Then we have inverse functions, and these are the formulas. Again, you can pause them and you can quickly go through them. Now we will see a problem where you will have problems with square and stuff. Now, again, it is over here you need to first understand which formula is required. When you look at this, you will know that's tan inverse formula. But tan inverse formula is 1 by 1 plus x square. There is a square, that's constant term, is bothering because that is not supposed to be there. So what do we do now? Anyways, this is the formula to use. Now rewrite the equation to, you should rewrite this to the above form. We need to get this. How do we rewrite? We should remove this a square, right? Let's remove the a square out. How do we remove it? Let us multiply and divide by a square over here. Basically, this is 1, isn't it? If you multiply by 2 and divide by 2, it's 1. So you won't make any difference with this original function. So that's fine. You're just manipulating this a square and a square. Now, this is important. You will just multiply the denominator. Why? Because this gets 1, isn't it? Whereas this remains and all you're doing is multiplying just the denominator. Now, all you need to do is cancel this out. A square becomes 1, and this, take it out, it's in the denominator, so it'll be 1 by a square, integral 1 by 1 plus x by. Now this is another crucial thing, x by a the whole square dx. I just realized I've just repeated the same step. Sorry, there's nothing new in this. You do not need to write that. Now, after this, it's directly over here. Over here, you have just written the square outside because both are square, so bracket square. Now it is similar to this, isn't it? 1 by 1 plus. Instead of x, we have x by a. That's fine. You can do the u substitution. Take u as x by a. Now integrate this. Du by dx, over here x will be 1 by a. Take dx to the other side, and over here comes a. It'll be a du equals dx. Now substitute over here. It'll be 1 by 1 plus. Instead of x by a, you need to put u square a du. A and a cancels, the a square and a cancels, so you're remaining with 1 by a, 1 by 1 plus u square du. Remember, this is tan inverse formula for u. But we are not over. This is tan inverse u, but what did we substitute u as? X by a, so we resubstitute it back, and this is the answer. So this is how we get this answer. So now over here in these problems, you can see all this. Just do the same thing, and then you can easily solve it. Please try it by yourselves and then do it, or you can find the pattern. In the last video, I was talking about the patterns. Now look over here. Whenever you have a square over here, what do? Understand which is this formula. 1 by root of 1 square 1 square minus x square is sine inverse formula. All you need to do is add this x by a. Why? Because in order to remove this, you have to divide over here by a square, so u will be x by a. So that's it. That's the simple thing. Sorry, again over here there is the error. Over here you can see this is about secant inverse, and you can go through it by yourself. You can find the similarity and patterns. If you do not understand the patterns, if you're getting too much confused, it's fine. You can just use the long method, that is the u substitution, and you'll definitely get the correct answer. So please go through all these and directly you can get this answer. So now over here, this is very simple. Why? Because you're just removing the 4 common out and then you're simplifying, So you can just remove this common terms out, and then over here also see 2 is removed out, and over here 4, it'll be 1 by 2, then 1 by, let me just do it. So it'll be 2 outside and 4 is removed common out. So what is remaining? 1 by 1 plus x squared dx. So I hope you understand this. 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. So this is how we get it. Now, whichever method is easy, comfortable, just use that and you can easily solve it. Don't come to this video directly. Please watch them in continuity because the video number 5, 6, and 7 are on the same topic, same page number. I mean, it's almost the same. Sorry, 6 and 7 are exactly the same, whereas 5 is similar to this.